Ndewooo. Hello everyone, my name is Chidera and I am so excited to welcome you to my page. I am an Igbo language teacher and here my goal is to help you learn Igbo language in a simple, fun and practical way. Whether you are a beginner, an Igbo person who wants to reconnect with their roots, or someone interested in African culture, you are in the right place. On this page, you will find short Igbo lessons, proverbs, storytelling, cultural insights, and even live sessions where you can practice with me. By following along, you will be able to greet, introduce yourself, and even hold conversations in Igbo language. So if you ever wanted to speak Igbo confidently, turn on notifications and join me on this exciting journey. Together, we'll keep the Igbo language alive, one word at a time. Once again, I say, no, dalo.